I'm going to be addressing a question that I often get, and that is, should I name my business or my website after my name, or should it be a different name? Let's go. My name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're excited about this video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up right now. If you want to learn more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Figuring out your business name can be quite confusing if you're just starting out. Naming your business comes down to three things: your industry, your vision, and your long-term game plan. If you're planning to build a business as an expert, such as a coach, an author, a consultant, or maybe a speaker, then you are the product yourself. And so then in this case, it might be a good idea to name your business after your name. For the website, you can have a website on your name, and then you can launch different brands under your name in the future. If you want to put yourself out there for a long time, for example, you want to launch multiple courses or you want to write several books in the coming years, then naming your business as your name might be a great option, because your customers trust you, they look up to you, and you yourself here is the brand. Another benefit to naming your business as your name is that you will not be stuck with a name that you don't like maybe in the future anymore. And so you will not be stuck with a name that you don't like or you might want to change for the rest of your career. On the other hand, if you're starting a business that is based around a product that could be potentially sold in the future, then naming your business something else could be a good option. For example, Tesla, Walmart, Snapchat are brand names, and these brand names are selected in a way so they are more fitting to the business. But having said that, there are numerous companies that are named after their founders, and they do not fall under the industry of coach, author, or speaker. There are a ton of successful companies that are named after their founders, and then also there are a lot of big successful companies which are not named after their founders. There are also numerous companies that are named after their founders, and they still till date exist without their founders. There are huge brands who built empires with their names and then they sold them. So to simplify, in order for you to be successful in naming your business with your name or with something different, you need to understand your industry, you need to know your long-term plan, and you need to know your vision for the business. It truly comes down to you having clarity with what you want and where you see yourself and your business in the coming years. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.